Hello, praisers and savers. My name is Sandy, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are heading to Publix. These deals run from March the 26th until April the 1st, 2025. As always, most of these deals are digital. We have a couple of printable coupons that you can print off to take in the store with you, and I will have those linked for you in the description box. In addition, there is a printable breakdown that you can either print off to take in the store with you, or you can just pull it up on your phone, so no need to write any of these deals down. Now, in order for me to keep bringing these videos to you every single week, I do need you guys to engage in these videos, to like, share, subscribe, and comment your favorite deal of the day. It helps me a ton when you guys do that. Now, to get us started are the Pillsbury Cinnamon Rolls. These are usually $3.29. They are buy one, get one free right now for $1.65. Now, I'm going to need these because this weekend I'm going to have a house full of kids. We have a birthday party, and so I'm going to stock up on some of these cinnamon rolls. Now, there is a Publix digital coupon that when you buy two, you'll get $1 off. So we're going to buy two. Your total is $3.29. That $1 Publix digital will come off, making your total $2.29 or $1.15 for each tube of cinnamon rolls. You can also do this on the crescent rolls, but I think it's on the 4 ounce and not the big 8 ounce size. The Nor rice sides are a great one because if you are needing things to donate, so these type of things are always needed, like starchy items are always needed. So definitely pick up some of the Nor rice. I like to use these for quick meals, if I forget to buy something. So I have a ton of these in the pantry. So these are usually $1.45. They're going to be 73 cents each with the BOGO. You're going to buy two. Your total is going to be $1.45. And then you're going to go to the Nor website. On the Nor website, there is a coupon for $1.50 on the Nor website when you sign up for the newsletter. So just go to their website, sign up for the newsletter. You'll get that $1.50 coupon, and it's going to make the Nor rice sides a moneymaker. So this is the Galbani ricotta cheese, and I have not seen a Galbani product this cheap in a long time. So the Galbani ricotta cheese, they are usually $4.09. They are buy one, get one free. So each of the cheeses, the ricotta cheese, is going to be $2.05. There is a $1 coupon on the Galbani website. This $1 coupon on the Galbani website is super easy. You don't have to do anything. You just print the coupon off. So easy peasy. I think the coupon expires on the 31st. So be careful with that. It's going to make each of the ricotta cheeses $1.05 after the BOGO and the $1 coupon. So I was really excited about this because I do love Honey Bunches of Oats, but then I saw it has to be on the chocolate flavor, and then I didn't want it anymore. So I don't think I'm picking this one up. But this is the Honey Bunches of Oats cereal. They're usually $5.19. Their own BOGO for $2.60. And like I said, you have to get the chocolate flavor because of Ibotta. Ibotta has a rebate for $1.25 back on the chocolate only. So it's going to make each box of the Honey Bunches of Oats $1.35. I've never tried the chocolate, but if you have, let me know in the comments if you liked it so I can make sure I pick it up or I don't pick it up. Thank you so much for continuing to watch this video. And if you're still watching, please make sure that you are commenting your favorite deals and just giving me feedback in the comments. So this is the Gushers. This is the family pack, the value pack. I mean, it could be on the Fruit by the Foot. It doesn't have to be Gushers. So the Fruit by the Foot or the Gushers are $7.99. They're buy one, get one free. So you're going to pick up one box and your total is $4. Now there is a $1 Publix digital coupon on the app, so that will apply. So at the register, they'll leave you to pay $3. In addition, there's also a $1 Ibotta rebate. So you'll submit your receipt for $1 to Ibotta, and it's going to make the Gushers or the Fruit by the Foots just $2 each. This is really good because it started off at $7.99 and it's brought it all the way down to $2. So this deal right here is one of those digital coupons that's a threshold coupon. So what happens is they're going to say, spend $10, get $3 off. So this is what this is. You're going to spend $10 on these products, you're going to get $3 off. And you've got to make sure that it is the subtotal, meaning before taxes. Now, you can stock up on Jell-O products, you can stock up on marshmallows, whatever you want to do. I um I generally get marshmallows and then, do different things with it in my classroom. But some of you know I am not teaching anymore. I'm working a corporate job, so I don't want the marshmallows for those reasons, but I am going to be picking up the Jell-O to do some things for Easter. So the Jell-O is $1.99. They're BOGO, so they'll be $1 each. What you'll do is pick up 10 of them. Your total for all 10 of them is going to be $10. And because you have a total of $10, you are going to apply that $3 coupon because you paid $10 worth of products, and it's going to bring your total down to $7. So 10 Jell-Os at $1 each, $3 coupon, total will be $7 or 70 cents per box of Jell-O. So I'm showing you the deal on the Maxwell House coffee. That's like, the grinded coffee, but you can also get the K pods if you do that for this deal. So the Maxwell House coffee for the canisters are $8.19. They're on sale. They're BOGO for $4.09. What you're going to do is you're going to buy 5 of them. When you buy 5 of them, your total is going to be $20.48. So $20. Oh, nope, excuse me. $20.45. My math is wrong on there. So buying 5, your total is $20.45. Now there is a threshold coupon for $5. $5 when you spend 20. So, like I said, you don't have to get this kind. You can get the K pods, but you're going to pick up 5. Each one is 409. Your total is $20.45. So you're going to use that $5 coupon is going to apply. So your total is going to be $15.45 or about $3.09 per canister of coffee. So glad to pick up this Everyman Jack deodorant because deodorant is something that I always need in my stockpile. And so the deodorant is $6.99. It is buy one, get one free. So it'll be $3.50 with the buy one, get one free. There's an awesome digital coupon from Publix for $2.50. Um, that $2.50 is going to apply at the register, and it's going to leave you to pay $1 just for this deodorant. And then you're going to submit your receipt to Ibotta for $1. So with the BOGO, the Publix digital coupon, and the $1 from Ibotta, it's going to make this deodorant absolutely for free. So this um Purina Kitten actually is going to expire Thursday or maybe Friday. So if you can get to the store on Thursday, this is going to be a great deal. So the Purina Kitten cat food is usually $7.86. It is on BOGO for $3.93. There is an Ibotta rebate for $1.50 back. This Ibotta rebate is going to make the Purina Cat Chow just $2.43. The great thing about this deal is you could do this up to 5 times. So you're like, I don't need, kitten food because I have a grown cat. You could mix it into other cat food for them if you're using the adult one. Might be nice, or you could donate something like this. But this deal expires soon, and it's going to make it $2.43 each. The last time this chicken fry came out, I went to the store every single day that they reset it because it kept resetting and I bought it. And I was just excited because I took these and put them in the food box we have at the church down the road. And excuse the image, but this is supposed to be supposed to say 326 on the date, and that's the wrong date. But this is probably my favorite deal right now is this House Autry chicken fry. Don't get the one in the bag. I'm sorry, don't get the one in the box. Make sure you get the one in the bag. The one in the bag is cheaper. The one in the bag is going to be $1.50 each. Picking up the bag, you're going to submit your receipt to Ibotta for $1.25 back. And that's going to leave you to pay just 25 cents for these House Autry chicken fries. See, flour, it's like a flour, like a, batter. But the great thing about this deal is that you could do it up to 5 times. So you could get 5 of these, and then you're only going to essentially you'll be paying less with the Ibotta rebate for all 5 than you would pay for one bag if you didn't have a coupon or Ibotta rebate. So great item to donate, to keep for whatever you need, but make sure you get the bag of the House Autry chicken fry. All right, praisers and savers, that is all I have for you today. I know the deals at Publix weren't as robust as they were last week, but that is okay because I'm sure there's going to be more deals that come out throughout the week as we are shopping. So, in order to get the deals like that, make sure that you're following me on my Instagram, my TikTok, everywhere else because I'll post daily deals there. And of course, it's all the same handle, praising and saving. I appreciate you guys. And please make sure that you have liked, shared, subscribed, engaged in this video. It helps me to keep bringing these videos to you every single week. Thanks, guys.